It's been the year of the SD40-2 in N Scale, and now squeaking it in there in December, it's BACHMANN's N Scale SD40-2. Let's take a look. This video is brought to you by Model Railroad Academy. Model Railroad Academy is your online resource for model railroad instructions, ideas, and information, with loads of tutorials and articles for model railroaders of every skill level. One of my personal favorites is Alan Keller's Great Model Railroads series. It is just so much fun to look at all of these different model railroads from all of these different great model railroaders and just get inspiration from those. Plus, you can find tutorials on everything from bench work to electronics to scenery, all sorts of things there. The first 1,000 people to sign up at the link in the description below will get a full year of premium membership to Model Railroad Academy for $1.49. Hey everybody, my name is Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains, drinking some French roast coffee today. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it featured just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name pop up on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Cheers, guys. If you've been following me long enough to see my reviews of BACHMANN locomotives in the past few years, I have been thoroughly impressed by their quality. BACHMANN has a reputation from long ago of having poor build quality, and that is simply not the case anymore. BACHMANN has really stepped up, and this is another example of that in N Scale. Let's take a look at the SD40-2. The locomotive has loads of detail, which is what you expect in modern N Scale locomotives. There are both separately applied and painted on details. The paint lines are crisp, and there are additional painted details that you don't see in other models. It sports those BACHMANN Easy Mate knuckle couplers, which do play nice with others like micro trains. For detail and build, I would slot this right in between the offerings from Kato and Intermountain and the higher detail models of Scale Trains and Broadway Limited. The locomotive features DCC and BACHMANN Sound Value, which is Soundtrack's economy line of decoders. This is something you don't see in N Scale often, so let's take a listen. This is another solid N Scale offering from BACHMANN, and I am thoroughly impressed. Let's take a look at the model running around my layout. So that is another good N-Scale offering for the SD40-2. There have been 5 different releases from 5 different companies this year. Wow! If you are in the market for an N Scale SD40-2, you definitely have some options now. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.